So the next step, now that we got I think I might have messed up that. I put the wrong number on that last slide. So we kind of looked at the who, right? Our ideal customer. We got Joe Jones kind of dialed in on who we're going after. So now we want to, take a look at, messaging. What kind of messaging are we going to put out there, in front of these prospects? And here's a few things you guys can write down or start to think about, like, why should someone choose you over the competition? I mean, this is a ruthless industry, right? There's a ton of competition, even in the smaller cities. I mean, you got the Serve Pros, Service Masters, the Puro Cleans. I mean, a lot of the bigger franchises, and then you also got the smaller family-owned restoration companies, right, that are, locally owned. So yeah, I mean, you could kind of play that both ways too. Like, some people might prefer to work with a larger established franchise. Some people prefer the locally owned and operated, they've been around 30 years companies, right? So yeah, I would use that. I would test that and use that to your advantage in your messaging to your prospects. And I mean, what benefits can you offer them that somebody might not be able to offer? I mean, kind of have the standard stuff, but think about a different angle that you might be able to pitch to them. And remember to think about this from there. Like, if you were in their situation, what would make you pick up the phone and make a call? So that's not that what you think they want to see, but see it from their angle. Like, what would make me, maybe a warranty or satisfaction guarantee. Just you got to think about it from all different angles. And there's just a few examples too, right, that are 24/7, same day service, free estimates, satisfaction guaranteed, certified technicians, trusted technicians. If you've been doing this a while, people feel more comfortable. If you're a startup versus somebody that's been doing it for 30 years, I mean, it's okay if you're a startup, but if you've been doing it 30 years, some people resonate with that. So I'd put that message in front of. And I kind of mentioned this before, the locally owned and operated. I mean, a lot of people, they only want to do business with locally owned companies, right? It's just how they are. And so, you can test that in your copy and see, right? And then, you just got to make the case specific to your company. And here's just a few more examples. I kind of already said these, but 60-minute response time, free estimates, technicians on call 24/7, IICRC certified technicians, guaranteed. And I've seen, some of our clients have even gotten creative. You see this more in the HVAC and plumbing and like landscaping, roofing. I mean, kind of a lot of the other home service niches. There's more of the coupon discount play, but I mean, I don't know how y'all shop, but that's something that always catches my eyes when you're out buying something. It's like, oh, save 10% here, or I mean, you can test that, right? Like, save 10%, or we've seen some customers like, we'll pay up to $500 on your deductible. I mean, you don't have to guarantee you'll do that, but you can say that in your messaging, and then once you get to the job, you'll have enough experience to know, like, all right, it's about to be a $30,000 job. I'm going to offer $500 towards this guy's or girl's deductible to get it, right? Like, that would make sense. So you can get creative with that, and that seems to work well. And if you don't do free estimates, I know a lot of companies do, but some of our clients, they get so busy they just don't. I don't know. They're just running all over town. They don't have time. I mean, you can almost switch. You can get creative and switch it to like a free phone consultation. But if they want to estimate, then they might have to pay $150 for it or whatever. I haven't seen it work too well where you charge for the estimates though. But, you could offer a free phone consultation instead. So there's some things to think about. There's a lot of ways you can get creative with it. So hopefully I got your wheels churning, and you can kind of run with this. And obviously it's going to be specific to your company and true and what you guys can offer. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.